Hello everyone, hope all of you are safe and healthy. With prelims dates being confirmed, now is the right time for you to shift your gears and step up your preparation. And I strongly believe that this is one golden opportunity that you should not miss out on. From here onwards, your success depends on two things. One is how effectively or how well you plan the next 140, 150 days. And second thing is how diligently and how sincerely you would be sticking to the plan. In fact, last week I'd made a video on how to effectively utilize the next 5 months. Thank you for that great response we've received. For those who have not watched it, do watch it because it gives you a lot of clarity on the practical planning aspects of it, what to do and most importantly what not to do, and the 6 smart things that you should be doing right now, and also the confidence and the strong push that is required right now, or the motivation that is required for you to clear the exam. So all that is discussed in the video, so do watch it. And today I'm here, today in this video I'm here with the most awaited program of IAS Baba, that is RRS, that is Rapid Revision Series, or RARE series, or RARE series, whatever you call it as. In fact, last year it was one of the most searched prelim series, and it helped a lot of students to strategize things better and also perform well in the exam. Last year we had 500 odd topics, that is the most probable topics for prelims. So this time we have come up with a much bigger and a lot of surprises involved as usual, and we have made it more inclusive. So there are 10 features. Last time it was only one feature, but this time we have 10 features included in this rapid revision series, and these 10 features are called as 10 stepping stones towards your success. So initially we thought, should we go with the test series only, or should we have this daily targets? But then after a lot of brainstorming, we thought the daily targets are what will actually sustain you for the longer run, because next 120, 140 days is not a small time, right? You need to be motivated daily. So that is the reason we have come up with this daily targets and daily test, and also this is complemented with the full length mock test at the end, the general studies and CSAT as well. So everything is considered, everything is taken into consideration. So all in all, you'll be solving around 32 tests, prelims tests, and around 250 mains question, that is equivalent to 12 to 13 mains test. So anyway, I'll be discussing this in detail. And we have also taken the best of the best initiatives of IAS Baba, that is the 60-day plan and the TLP plan. So we have tried to integrate both in this rapid revision series. So our only intention is to make sure that the 2-3 months that you have spent till now, right, on prelims preparation with the 60-day plan or the TLP should not go for a waste. So we have tried to integrate that with the next 4-5 months. The first stepping stone, or the first important feature, is we have come up with a dedicated portal so that your preparation is streamlined and you remain focused. And in fact, we are the first ones to come up with a dedicated portal for a free initiative like this. We had also come up with a dedicated portal for another free initiative called TLP before, and this year we are coming up with exclusively for rapid revision series. Second most important feature is this is a 120-day integrated plan. So we have tried to sync in both the prelims and mains part of it. As I said before, we have taken the best of the 60-day plan and TLP in terms of planning. So just like 60-day plan, Monday, Tuesday it is for polity, Wednesday, Thursday for geography, and Friday we are dedicating it for science and tech and environment. So we have made sure that every week the science and tech and environment is covered, considering the importance of science and tech and environment in prelims exam. And Saturday, Sunday you can dedicate it for ethics and essay through our other series, which is called brainstorming of ethics and essay. So all in all, we have made it an integrated and inclusive plan, so that you are covering both your prelims and mains for the next 120, 130 days. In fact, we have also given time for your optionals, so every day you can give in 2 hours on your optional preparation as well. Third thing is the video part of it. In fact, we started rapid revision series last year through the video series. So this year also, this is one of the most important feature of this series, wherein 10 topics will be discussed according to the schedule given. This time we have come up with a schedule, and here it will be a mix of both static and dynamic, that is current affairs part. But see, practically when we are doing it, example, if I take the first two topics, that is on historical background and constitution per se, you cannot frame questions on current affairs related to the historical background or the constitution per se. So what we do here is we try to cover the polity, the governance aspects of it, or the Supreme Court judgments, or health related, education related, women and children related issues. So we are trying to cover that aspect of current affairs, right, which is related to polity or geography or economics or science and tech. That is how we do it. Clear? And each session or video will go on for 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes max. And the main intention of this video is to make sure that you revise the most important probable topics. Clear? And the fourth thing is that you'll have 10 daily prelims questions related to static part. So this will be exclusively related to static, like polity, history, economics, geography, science and tech, and environment. And you need to integrate this with a 60-day plan. So because if you go according to the schedule, you'll be solving close to 20 of 60-day plan and 10 of the static questions. So all in all 30 questions. So you need to integrate it that way, so that this will give you a lot of exposure in terms of different set of questions. So you do integrate it according with the 60-day plan here. And the fifth feature is you will have current affairs. Again, current affairs is focused. So from June onwards, every day 5 questions as per that day. It is covered from Monday to Saturday. And here the other thing is, this portal, the dedicated portal, will also have compilations of current affairs, the current affairs quiz compilations from January 2020 till August 2021. That is almost close to 1.5 years. So compilations will be there available on the portal, so you can make the maximum use of it. Then sixth feature is CSAT. CSAT is an Achilles heel to many aspirants. So we have made sure that CSAT is also covered. Daily 5 questions on CSAT. You'll get, all in all, you'll be solving around 600 questions, that is equivalent to 8 tests by the end of this rapid revision series. Then seventh feature is related to your mains. That is, every day we give you 3 mains questions, and according to the schedule, and also synopsis. Fine. And eighth important feature is the brainstorming with ethics and essay by Sunil sir. So that is also integrated with this program, so that your ethics and essay, which forms a very important part in your mains preparation, is also covered here. And the ninth feature is you will have 3 full-length mock tests of GS and CSAT each. Right? Just like it will be like a simulation test, just on the lines of UPSC. And the 10th most important feature is rare notes, or RA notes, or rapid revision series notes, where this time we have will be compiling it in terms of subjects. So it is like 160 to 170 or 180 most important topics of polity will be one compilation. Similarly with geography, science and tech, environment, all the subjects will be compiled, and the notes will be put up in the portal. So these are the 10 most important features, of the 10 stepping stones towards your success in this exam. We have made sure that every domain, every aspect of prelims, both prelims and mains, are covered in detail, so that you don't have to look for any other places apart from this rapid revision series. Just imagine solving with 2500 static questions, or 600 CSAT questions, or 250 mains questions, right? And having a compilation of last 1.5 years of current affairs quiz compilations at one place, right? And if you're ready for the challenge, you can comment in the comment section below with the hashtag Revise with Baba or Rare Baba. And this complete initiative will be free, but for the registration per se to the dedicated portal, we are charging a very nominal rupees of 10 rupees. We are doing so because we want to create a group of sincere aspirants, a community of sincere aspirants who are motivated for the next 4.5 months. Please don't take it otherwise. And we have put in our honest effort in this building this portal, and we want to maintain the sanctity and decorum of this portal. And at the same time, we would expect you to come with the same level of dedication, vigor and energy on everyday basis to this dedicated portal. I hope you understand that. And during this pandemic time, we have tried to do a bit in the number of initiatives that we have bought in, from giving scholarship of 50% to our foundation course program, to the Hotline initiative, wherein you can talk to our core team members and get the right set of guidance, to the Ask Baba and the Phone a Friend initiative, wherein you can directly speak to a medical expert or a counselor who will provide you that emotional support to overcome this anxiety and stress situation at the present time. And the brainstorming with ethics and essay session, which is also part of this initiative now by Sunil sir, and the Weekend with Baba, wherein I'll be interacting live with you all. So all in all, we have not only tried to come up with initiatives in terms of content, but also the emotional support and the right guidance that is required at this point of time is what we have tried to do in this through all these initiatives. It is said that good things, when it comes in abundance, and all that it requires is a spark, and we're happy that we were the spark, and many other institutions are also have come up with initiatives that would help a lot of students. And at the end of the day, this is all our the only intention is to make sure that you keep yourself motivated throughout this tough times and you clear the exam. And the most sort of the question that I keep getting is how to beat this competition. See, you can beat the competition only when you are the best version of yourself, and that can happen only when you learn day by day. So this, what I can assure you is, after this, the end of the 120-day plan, you can be the best version of yourself, provided that you stick to the daily topics, daily targets that is given according to the schedule. Okay, all that we need is your support and your active participation, which is our strength and which is the single most motivating factor that keeps us going throughout these tough times as well. Just imagine thousands of students, and if with God's blessing, if it touches 1 lakh students who are sincerely logging into the portal on everyday basis and actively participating and finishing off your targets and staying sustained for the next 4.5-5 months, right? So before I sign off, I want to emphasize that the present crisis that we are all undergoing is momentary. The good days are not far behind, and together we can overcome this crisis. Just imagine, after all the dedicated efforts, the sincere efforts that you put in right now, and the hardship that you must come across during this phase, the pain and the loss, you seeing your name in the final list, right? That is beyond your, happiness. It cannot be expressed, and the joy is limitless. And seeing the tears in your parents' eyes, right? If you want to experience that, then today is the day that you kickstart your preparation earnestly and accept the Baba challenge of Revise with Baba. And today we'll promise that both you and me and my entire team of IS Baba, that we'll be our best versions of ourselves, because the rest of the things will be automatically taken care, be it results, when you are the best version of yourself. And all of you do well, all the best, and I pray to God that that your health and also God gives you that enough energy to sustain yourself for the next upcoming days. And all the best. Do well.